Hello guys, very good morning. I hope all of you are well. Today we are going to start the lecture with rational number. Before starting rational numbers, I am going to teach you some other concepts like number system and a number tree. So let's start our video from the number system. What is number system? Representing a system of representing the numbers. A system to representing the numbers are known as number system. Okay. Now there are various kinds of system to represent the number. First is decimal number system, contains base 10. Okay. Second one is binary number system, contain base 2. Third one is octal number system, contain base 8. Hexadecimal number system, contain the base 16. Okay, this is the 4 types of number system where we can represent a numbers. Okay, now second is number tree. Okay, what is number tree? Kinds of numbers are known as number tree. Okay, in this kind, the first is this starts number tree from the whole number. Whole number. What is whole number? Number starts from 0, 1, 2 till this sign. This sign is known as infinity. This sign is known as infinity. Now what is infinity? Numbers that not answer are known as infinity. Now what is the mathematical definition of infinity? I will give you later. Representation is caps lock W. Okay. Second, natural number. Guys, if we skip 0 from the whole number, if we skip 0 from the whole number, the remaining numbers are known as natural number, or you can say numbers start from 1 till infinity are known as natural number, and the representation of natural number is caps lock N. Okay. Third one is integers, represented by represented by caps lock I, or you can say Z. Okay, caps lock I or Z are the representation of integers. Okay, numbers starts from minus infinity, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till plus infinity. Okay, are known as integers. This is the complete one range of integers. Okay. Now guys, please concentrate. As I told you, what is integers? Minus infinity, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 plus infinity are known as integers. Now guys, from here to here, okay, that means this range from here to here, -1, are known as negative integers. Okay, and represented by I minus or Z minus. Okay, negative integers. From here to here are known as positive integers, and the representation is I plus or Z plus. So what's about 0? What's about 0? Guys, 0 what's about 0? Zero is neither a positive number nor a negative number. It simply an even number. Okay, this is the definition of 0. I hope you understood. So 0 is neither a positive nor a negative number. Okay, it's simply an even number. Okay, this is the 0. So integers can be classified in 3 categories: I minus, Z minus, I plus and Z plus. After this, the next one is rational number. Guys, rational number, to understand the concept of rational number, we have to know the concept of two cases. Okay, there are the two cases to understand the rational number. Case number 1. If a number is in the form of P upon Q and P and Q both are the element of integers. Okay, now this sign represent read as element. Okay, and the meaning of this sign is belongs to. This is the meaning of this sign. So what we see? what we say, P and Q are the element of integers. That means P and Q always be integers. Okay, and Q is not equals to 0. Q is not equals to 0. Now the question raised is here, why Q is not equals to 0? Why? What is the reason behind it that Q is not equals to 0? The question I stopped earlier, what is the mathematical definition of infinity? Now I am going to tell you what is the mathematical definition of infinity and what is the reason behind it why Q is not equals to 0. Okay, so what is the reason? Guys, you have any number P in numerator, but when the 0 becomes in denominator, the solution of this is always be infinity. Okay, you have any number in numerator, but when the 0 becomes in denominator, the complete solution of that rational number is infinity. And this is the mathematical definition of infinity, and this is the reason why Q is not equals to 0. I hope you understood why Q is not equals to 0. Okay, this is the first case. If a number is in the form of P upon Q, and P and Q both are the element of integers, and Q is not equals to 0. Okay, this is the case number 1. Now what is case number 2? The case 2, P upon Q, you know that P upon Q is a fractional number, is a fractional part. So after converting into decimal form, after converting into decimal forms, if after the decimal digit repeats itself, that time P upon Q is a pure rational number. Okay, you can say repeats is also known as terminate itself. Okay, example, suppose we have 1 upon 3. 1 and 3 both are the element of integers. You know that 3 is not equals to 0. First case is satisfied here. Okay, so what's about second case? After converting into decimal form, 1 upon 3 is rewrite as 0.3333 and so on. Okay, it can be rewrite as 0.3 bar. When a digit repeats itself, okay, so that number which is repeated itself, we can write as in the form of bar. Okay, and this sign is known as bar. Okay, 0.3 bar. Okay, so listen here, 3 repeats itself. So we say it's a rational number. It's a pure rational number. Okay, understood? I hope you understood. Now, second is next is fifth one. Guys, the representation of represented by caps lock Q. Rational number are represented by caps lock Q. Okay. Next. Irrational number. Now, what is irrational number? The case 1 is same. Okay. Case 1 is same as of rational number. The difference is in case number 2, that is after decimal, if digits does not repeats itself. Okay, repeats itself. That time P upon Q is irrational number. Okay. Guys, first case is same. Case first is same. Okay. But on the behalf of case number 2, we can differ rational number and an irrational number. Okay. Look at here. Example 5. Okay. E. Okay. What is the exponential number? Okay. Now the value of pi is 22 upon 7, which can be written as 3.141 and so on. Okay. You can check here. Number are different. Digits doesn't repeat. Okay. E 2.73. Again you can check. Okay. So these are the rational numbers. And the next is any number is in the form of under root. Okay. Any number which is in the form of square root, okay, are irrational number. But condition is and is not a perfect square. Like example, under root 2 is an irrational number. Under root 3 is a rational number. Okay, irrational number. Okay, under root 5 is a rational number. But if you talk about under root 4 under root 4 is not an irrational number. Under root 25 not a rational number. Why? Because 4 is the square of 2 square. That is the reason. 25 is the square of 5 square. So under root 4 is root like plus minus 2. Okay? Under root 25 is plus minus 5. That is the reason. Okay? Condition is n is not a perfect square. I hope you understood. Now, next is very important. Real number. All rational number, all rational and irrational numbers are real number. Okay? Representation is caps lock R. Real numbers further classified in three categories: R plus, all, positive. Real numbers like 1/2, 4/5, 25, 100 and so on. Okay? R minus, all negative real number, minus 1/2, minus 4/5, minus 25, minus 100 and so on. Last is R not. Okay? R not means non-zero real numbers. Okay? Or you can say real numbers excluding zero means all real numbers, but we can't take zero. We can't take zero. Okay? This is non-zero real number.